welcome back to Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything I can get my hands on. Today I have a big day, so I got 3 different boxes in the mail. So I'm going to have the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and I have my Boxycharm base box for February. So we're just going to start with the little one first, which is the base box. So this is it here, and it is about half the size of the normal base box, which is interesting. Like, it's just a tiny one. See if I can show you. This is the normal size they come in. So it's really tiny, but maybe it's just got smaller items in it this time. So we're gonna open this one up, and this is what it's gonna look like inside. And here's your card, and the theme of this month is Treat Your Heart Out. And again, there is no description of what's in the box or how much anything's worth. It just has that big news announcement, which has been going on for a couple months now and in Ipsy. So I think because Ipsy bought Boxycharm a few years ago, they might do a collab, which I'm pretty interested in to see what they come up with that. But we're going to dive right into this box first and hope for the best. So first I'm going to grab the first thing, Perfecting Prism Color Protecting Pre-Shampoo Treatment. And it's from 4, and it's 150 milliliters, 5 fluid ounces. And it looks to be a pretty decent size. Okay, so basically you work it through your dry or damp hair before you shampoo, and it's supposed to protect all the color that you have in your hair. So that one, I will definitely give that one a shot. So that's our item number 1 today. Let's see, number 2. Okay, I'm not 100% positive on this, but I'm pretty sure this was one of the choice items. And everything else that I'm seeing doesn't look like something I would choose, but this is a primer. Hyaluronic and collagen makeup primer. And I love primers. I like trying different ones. So this seems like something I would choose out of anything. Otherwise, if this was the one I chose, then I have no idea where my choice options are. So I'm going to assume this was it. So I'm just going to open it. Maybe. All right. All right, and this is what it looks like. So it's got like a little screw off cap and sealed. You're gonna take off that seal. I'm gonna try this one out tomorrow. Really excited about this one. So I'm just gonna comes out pink. Feels good, doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything like that. Okay, so this one is 30 milliliters or 1.01 ounces. Avoid contact with eyes. You know, pretty standard. It is a vegan and cruelty-free product. So that is our product number 2. We're going to leave the best for last, which is an eyeshadow palette, because I love eyeshadow palettes. Next, we have Billion Dollar Brows. It is a brow conditioner. So this one is 0.1 fluid ounces or 3 milliliters, so tiny, tiny amount of product in there. Can be worn by day under your favorite brow makeup for a priming effect, or worn alone at night to help nourish your brows while you sleep. So this is what the packaging is going to look like. Really cute packaging. a fairly long wand. And I'm just gonna, that's what I feel like. Doesn't really smell like anything. So that is our item number 3. So item number 4 is by Misha Beauty. It's a lip shine and it's 2.8 grams. I wonder if this is tinted. It's in the shade Angel, and if it's going by that, it looks like an olive, deep olive green or brown even. Which this is not the same color as it showed. So this is what the color is. It looks like a brown color. I mean, it's very lightly tinted. So it's not going to be, obviously it's lip shine. It is not a lipstick. So I will be definitely trying that one out. And that one again, super cute packaging. And our last item of the box. It is a Tarte High Performance Naturals eyeshadow palette. And the name of the eyeshadow palette is Sunrise Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the packaging. It's got like a little gold reflectors. It's got like a zebra stripe kind of look to it. Just gonna cover up the mirror that comes with it, but it is a fair size mirror. It's the same size as pretty much the whole palette, so that's kind of cool. And I'm gonna turn that around, and that's it there. And I'm just gonna do a couple swatches. Wow, that is my skin tone exactly. You're not gonna see that on me. It's gonna have to go darker. All right, so if you can see, I have actually 5 colors here. So that's a little disappointing that there's so many that wouldn't work. Like there's 1, 2, 3, there's about 5 out of 9 that won't show up on my skin because they're so light. And I mean, I might be able to build them up to make them look like something, but again, it's not, they're not highly pigmented, but I mean, they're neutrals, so generally neutrals aren't as pigmented as other stuff. So I will work with that. Just want to see if I can, no, that. Okay. They are able to be built up a little bit. Now I can see 4 instead of 5. So, I mean, I'm always happy with an eyeshadow palette. I will play around with it and see what kind of looks like it. I tend to stick to more neutrals or like shimmery light pinks. So this is definitely something I'm comfortable working with. And I will maybe do just a review video of all the stuff I get, and say what I like, what I don't like, and why. So I will definitely test this out a few times, a few different ways, and see what I can make work. Sometimes if I have obviously a primer on, the color tends to stick more. So I'll also try that actually on eyelids because it can be very different than me swatching it on my arm. But anyways, that's all for this box. So stay tuned because I do have 2 more videos coming tonight even. like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get our next videos. And have a good night. Bye, guys.